Hey there! In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on a PC or Mac so you can start editing like a pro. Step 1. Click the link in the description to go directly to Adobe's official website and access the free trial for Premiere Pro. Step 2. Select Premiere Pro. Once you're on the site, you'll see different Adobe apps. Look for Premiere Pro and click on Start Free Trial. This will allow you to use the software for a limited time for free. Step 3. Sign in or create an Adobe account. You'll now be redirected to the sign-in page. You can log in with your Adobe account or sign in quickly using Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you don't have an account yet, click Create an Account. It only takes a few seconds. Step 4. Download and install Premiere Pro. After signing in, Adobe will automatically detect your operating system, Windows or Mac OS, and provide the correct installer. Click Download and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once downloaded, for PC, Windows, open the installer.exe file and follow the on-screen instructions. For Mac, open the .dmg file, drag the Premiere Pro icon to your Applications folder, and follow the setup process. Step 5. Launch Premiere Pro and start editing. Once the installation is complete, open Adobe Premiere Pro and you'll be ready to start editing amazing videos. Want to get started right now? Click the link in the description to access the official Adobe website and download Premiere Pro for free today. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more video editing tips and tutorials.